What is up guys, welcome back to a new video. I am Anubhav and thank you so much for coming to this channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of my gimbal. I know it's not a good time to show any purchase, but I bought it 2 months back. I was not sure about this, then I made my mind, and now I want to show and review the gear I use. No, I'm not running out of content, perhaps yes. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, if you are into filming, vlogging or any kind of activities like that, then you probably know about this, but if you don't, then let me tell you in short, gimbal is for stabilizing the video, or you can say enhancing the video on the premium level. If you love cinematography or you want to try this or you want to try vlogging or filming, either way, gimbal is going to be one of the most important tools for you if you ever come into this field. Now, if it's only for taking pictures, then I won't suggest you to invest a big amount on this product. Let's unbox.
This is XD77 from Osaka, and as you have seen in the thumbnail where I mentioned the best discount you'll ever get, that's exactly what I got. It was a lucky day for me when I ordered. I got a discount over 50% and I paid nearly 5,500, so that was pretty decent. You can check this out, the link is on the description. So when it comes to the first look, which is packaging, it's so nicely done by the company, and this also reflects the quality of the product. The manual, this is something extra I got, a stand. For this, not only I can put the gimbal in a surface, but I can also film myself properly. The quality is so good, and you can see these things in the ends, which are for better grip. The charging cable, which is too short, so you just make sure whenever you charge, the plugging point is close to the surface. And there I got a strap for this bag, so I can put the gimbal around my shoulder while traveling. Time to open the bag, so let me put all these things aside. Now let me show you the features. This point is for connecting the phone through the charging cable. And this point is for charging the gimbal. This is the joystick for moving right, left or up and down. This is for zooming. This button is for changing the modes, and long press on this button will turn the gimbal on and off as well. There is a branding of Osaka right here, which also looks so premium. This is for holding your phone, and the finishing right here is so nice that it can save the back of your phone from any scratch. So there is a screw right there so that you can extend the space. You know, if your phone is a bit heavier or bigger in size, then you have to extend it for proper balance. And there is also a screw behind the holder, so you can set the position horizontally or vertically as you wish.
Now the thing is, getting a gimbal is not everything. We have to utilize it properly. So for that, we have to learn how to use it. There's so many videos on YouTube from where I learned different shots and cinematic B-rolls. There are different applications for different gimbal companies. For this gimbal, the app is 3-axis gimbal, which is available on Play Store and through which I can get access to all the features of my gimbal. So on the next video, we will discover the application and I will show you how to use it, the advantages and disadvantages. I'll try to demonstrate every single thing. So till then, take care, stay safe. See you on the next video. Goodbye.